What's up, everyone? This is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones, coming to you with another quick video to help you to alleviate lower back pain in less than 60 seconds. And this particular stretch is great for my golfers out there. So what I want you all to do, you can easily grab a band, or you can even use your golf club, anything you have to kind of get into this overhead type of position. Okay, this is going to be a really effective stretch for alleviating any lower back pain or tension before you get out there on the green. So what we're going to do first, I want you to cross your right leg over left, bring the hands up. Again, you can use a band or your golf club, a towel, whatever it may be. Now, I want you to go ahead and we're going to go over to the left. And again, when I see a lot of you all, they're stretching, I see a lot of like this bouncing and all that. You don't want to do that. That's how you injure yourself. So I want you just to hold that nice static stretch from anywhere from 10 to 20 seconds and remembering to breathe. Okay, we're going to come back to center. We're going to switch and we're going to do it on the other side. And again, like I said, we're going to hold that anywhere 10 to 20 seconds. You can hold it even longer if the stretch feels good. And then just come back to center. Easy enough. And doing that, like I said, as you're out there on the green, it's going to help to alleviate any lower back pain, any tension that you're having in your sides. It's going to help you to get a little bit more rotation on your swing. And if you like this stretch and want to see more, come join me this Wednesday at 7 p.m. for G Mobility. That stands for Golf Mobility class. That's going to be running from 7 to 7:50 p.m. I'm definitely sure you'll like it. We got plenty more mobilizations that you can use to help alleviate that back pain. Everyone, this is everyone's favorite health coach, Mike Jones. Hoping to see you out Wednesday at 7 p.m. And there's a link below where you can register for that class. All right, everyone. Have a pain-free day. Until next time.